Hello and welcome to the Power of BI channel. And in this video, I'll be going through the customized shape map and where we can, customize the mappings and import it in Power BI. So this is the shape map visual, which is in the preview feature right now. So you have to go to the Power BI option and enable the shape map. And this is the shape map where you can build a customized shape map where you can update based on the selections and based on everything related to. So sometimes you have to enable the visual here, and then we have to go through. So for example, if I put up a date here, so this will by default give you a US map, but you have an option of selecting Australian states, and then you also have the map key related to that as well, and then you have multiple countries like UK and US, Italy, Mexico, and stuff. And then there's a feature called custom map where you can import a map type. So that is in the JSON format that we have to import. So recently, what I found out is we can map customize areas in customized locations. So for example, if you have a bigger office with multiple locations inside, and there are multiple projects going on around, then you can pinpoint the area of those projects. Of course, this can be done by latitude longitude, but still, if you want to focus on the high level areas of it, then you can map it up in the maps visual, and then bring it to the Power BI desktop. So one website that I'm gonna look into that is, it's called Map Shaper. So mapshaper.org, and then what it does is when you go to the website and open up, the click on map here, you can pinpoint locations of the map itself. So for example, I'm in Sydney. I just want to map up, for example, the distance or the region um, in North Sydney, and the any other point. So what I get what I do is I just get a polygon drawing, and then I zoom in, and then I start drawing according to um, you know the shape itself. And then if I keep on drawing it here, and there is a shape here, I and then I enable again drawing a visual or an area. So what I'll do is I'll just you know select the mapping here. So I just need to draw a design of St. Leonard's Park. So I just go and just keep on drawing the location here, and there you go, the second one. And then I just need to draw some locations related to North Sydney Demonstration School. So I'll just do this. These are straightforward than the squares. That's it. So these are the three locations that I've enabled. So what I can do is now I can click on inspect features, select anything, and then there is an option called this layer is missing attribute data. So we just need to add field. So the field name, I've given this an ID, which is one. Then the another name I'll be giving is Saint Leonard's Spark. And these are the two things. And then I click on this one, and you see the ID and name placeholder all automatically comes. We click on edit, and then I give you this value 2, and then North Sydney Demonstration School. I just need to, there you go. So this is the third thing. And then if I click on edit the third position, what I can do is I can just give 3, and then the value is North Sydney area. There you go. So sorry, this is, sorry, I just need to remove the field here, which is too many. There you go. So we've got St. Leonard's Park, we got North Sydney Demonstration School, and the third one. Don't worry about the extra parameter in it. We'll take care of it. So what's happening here is, in the map and in the layers, what we have done is we have mapped 3 areas where we want to show. Now what we can do is, we'll take a screenshot of this map so that we can map it in the Power BI. So I've opened a screenshot visual. So I'm capturing this area and then saving it somewhere in the desktop or any other place. So I've saved this, and then what I can do is I can just enable this so that the areas selected is highlighted. Then I export. So in the export, there are file formats, and in this file format, what Power BI accept is the topo.json, not the geo.json. So I just need to click on topo.json and then export. So what's happening is that it is output the file in the JSON format. If I click on open, this will open up here in the uh, Visual Studio Code. The format is not prettier, so I just need to format it in a pretty manner. So just right click, format document. So this is a good format that is happening. So it has some ArcGIS scaling as well as the objects and the geometry as well. So here there are properties for each geometry. So 0, 1, and 2. So what's happening here is that you see that new field was added into the property. So I just need to remove the field. So we'll make sure that ID and name is there, and then ID and name is also there, as well as ID and name. So there are only two fields, two attributes associated with the particular map. Then we click on save and then close. Next, we open up a Power BI file, then click on enter data. So just for the demonstration purpose, what we're doing is we are entering a data which is called ID and name. And from the name, what's happening is I'm putting the ID as one and what do you call it? ID as one, and the name would be, for the first ID, it's North Sydney area. So I'm just copy pasting it here. Then we have ID 2, and then we're capturing St. Leonard's Park. And then we have ID 3, we're capturing North Sydney Demonstration School. And there you go, and location, and then load. So once the data is loaded, so that is what the load data is. So it will be loaded in the data section. You see this, the location name is added. Then we import or bring the shape map here, and in the shape map we put up a location name here, and currently it will not appear anything. By default it will appear United States map. So yeah, and then so if you see, there are some formats that needs to be assigned. But before that, what we do is we go to the insert tab and go and click on image, and click on image to get the image of the screenshot that we got. So we got the image here, and we just need to adjust and overlay the location within that map. So what we need to do is we need to bring in the JSON file that was stored. So we click on custom map and then browse, and then we after browsing we got the area that we mapped in. So we just need to enable an overlay on top of it and make sure the sizing also is matching up. So we just first disable the background so that it appears, and then a bit of a thing that we need to send this to back so that the map is displayed in front. We just squeeze the size here and then increase the size here just to make sure. So this is the exact matching of the area. We just need to adjust some of the things where we can capture all the areas associated. Then what we do is we do a table here. So we bring in the ID and name. So this is the name and the ID. It's just the name and the ID. So imagine a use case where you have the area of the working or the number of people working at a particular area. So you're just highlighting certain things. Next thing, we just select the map visual, and then we need to change the fill colors. So North Sydney, we're assigning blue. Demonstration, we're assigning orange, as well as Leonard Park, we're assigning yellowish. So what's happening is that when when a particular area is selected, then we can just highlight or filter out the data based on the area. So what's going to happen is that, if I select this one, North Sydney, so you see the data is filtered um, from under the name of North Sydney itself. If you filter St. Leonard's Park, then it can be done as well. Similar goes with the North Sydney demonstration school. So this is the quick way to just overlay and map associated with the area as well. So if you say it works the other way around as well. So when you click on something, then demonstration school, it highlights the map area on the map and similar grounds here and turn grays to the rest of the area. So this is a quick way to demonstrate when where we want to map using the coordinates as well as the mapping itself. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more details and tips and tricks related to Power BI, SQL, and other data analytics tool. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.